Hello everyone, welcome to iQuanta. Today we are going to discuss 7th set of our ILRDI series, and this set is from CAT 2021 second slot. This set is based on games and tournaments topic, very little concept that will be used, a little bit logic and everything. So let's see. It says the game of Chango is a game where two people play against each other. One of them wins and the other loses. That is, there are no drawn Chango games. There is no draw. 12 players participated in a Chango championship. They were divided into 4 groups. Group A consisted of Aruna, Azul and Arif. Group B consisted of Brinda, Brij and Biju. Group C consisted of Chitra, Chetan and Chavi, and Group D consisted of Dipen, Dona and Dev. Now it says players within each group had a distinct rank going into the championship. Means someone was ranked 1, someone was ranked 2 and someone was ranked 3. So in a group there are 3 players, 3 different ranks. The players have not been listed necessarily according to their ranks. In the group stage of the game, the second and third ranked players play against each other, and the winner of that game plays against the first ranked player. So if there are 3 players, rank 1, 2, 3, these 2 are playing first. Whoever wins will then play against the first ranked player, and it says the winner of this second game is considered as the winner of the group and enters a semi-final. So it's very clear that in first round a player can play minimum one match and maximum of 2 match. The winners from groups A and B play against each other, and in one semi-final, while the winner from group C and D play against other in the other semi-final. Very clear. The winners of the 2 semi-finals play against each other in the final to decide the winner of the championship. Very usual things. It is also known that, so details are given. Okay, now let's try to see what are the questions. So these are the questions, 4 questions. Now let's talk about this. It says, first I have noted down the given information. Chitra did not win the championship. Aruna did not play against Arif. Arif did not play together. Brij did not play against Brinda. Brij and Brinda did not play against each other. Aruna, Biju, Chitra and Dipen played 3 games each, as you can see, 3, 3, 3 and 3. 3 games each. Azul and Chetan played 2 games each. Chetan and Azul played 2 games each, and the remaining players played 1 game each. Now, the most basic thing, we know that anyone can play minimum 1 match in first round and maximum 2 match. So, can we safely say that whoever is playing 3 match must have played the semi-final? So from group 1, group A, Aruna must have played the semi-final. From group 2 or group B, Biju must have played the semi-final. And Chitra from group C and Dipen from group D, right? I hope this is clear. Why these 4 are only semi-final players. Now see what happens in this case. What we can say, Aruna, Azul and Arif. If we talk about this, Aruna, Arif did not play a match. What could have happened here? Can we say Azul, Arif could have played? Aruna, Azul could have played? Aruna is moving to the next round. So what are the possibility? If Aruna and Arif did not play with each other, can we say these two, one of these two are not rank 2 and rank 3, because the first match is between rank 2 and rank 3. It means in one of these two must be rank 1. One of these two must be rank 1, because these two are not rank 2 and rank 3. Okay, so which player we can say is rank 1? We can say Arif could be rank 1, we can say Aruna could be rank 1. Let's see, let's try to understand both possibilities. If Arif is rank 1, then the first match happened between Aruna and Ajul, and Aruna won the match, and second match should have happened between Aruna and Arif, which is not possible. So can we say that Aruna is first rank, first match happened between Ajul and Arif, which Arif lost the match and Ajul won the match. Then second match happened between Aruna and Ajul, which Aruna won. So in this case you can see Ajul played 2 matches, Arif played 1 match, and Aruna played 1 match till now. But in total Aruna have played 3 matches. Can we say Aruna must have also won the semi-final? Can we say Aruna must have won the semi-final and Aruna reached final also? Now let's move on to Brinda and Bridge. In this case same thing, we can say Brinda and Bridge, both of them have played 1 match each, and these two are not playing each other, right? These two are not playing against each other, means one of these two must be rank 1. If they had rank 2 or rank 3, they would have played together, but these are not playing together, means one of these is rank 1, means Biju is not rank 1, means Biju must have played with Brinda or Bridge and Biju won. Then Biju play with Bridge and then Biju again won. It's also possible that first Biju played against Bridge and then he won, and then he played against Brinda and then Biju reaches to the next round. So in that case both cases are possible, right? We know that Biju is not rank 1. This one thing we are sure, in the first group, A group, that Aruna was rank 1. In second group, Biju is not rank 1. Now Biju have played 2 matches, 1 match here, 3 matches done. Now next round, Chitra, Chetan, Chavi, very similar to this one, Chitra, Chetan, Chavi, right? 3, 2, 1. Now what we can say here, same, can we say directly that Chitra must have been rank 1? Chetan, matches between Chitra and Chetan, Chitra and Chavi, it could be in any order, right? Chitra and Chetan first played and Chetan won, then Chetan and Chitra played and then Chitra won here. So you can see there is only 1 match for Chitra. Next match Chitra played here and then Chitra will play the final. So it's very clear here that Chitra must have won this semi-final and Deepen lost. Now in this case, once again, just like this condition, Biju, Brinda, Bridge, right? So in this case you can see we will have the same case that Deepen is playing only 1 match in semi-final. He is not going to the final. So Deepen must have played 2 matches here, means the only thing that we can say about this round is Deepen is not rank 1, right? Not rank 1. Deepen must have played 1 match with Dona and then another match with Deb in any order. Either he played first match with Dona, then second match with Deb, or Deepen played first match with Deb and second match with Dona. So it's possible in any way, but Deepen won both the matches and this is third match for Deepen. Now what do we know? Chitra did not win the championship. So who won the championship? Can we say Aruna won the championship? Between Chitra and Aruna, who won the championship? Aruna. So this is all the information that we can extract from given data. We don't need to do anything further. We can just try solving the question. This is the final structure, as you can see. Now let's try solving question. First question, it says, who among the following was definitely not ranked first in his or her group? So Chitra was ranked first, Aruna was ranked first, Dipen, Bridge. So according to Dipen was not ranked first, Bridge could be rank 1 here, right? So answer is C. Which of the following pairs must have played against each other in the championship? Must have played against each other. Azul, Biju, not possible. Dona, Chetan, not possible. Deb, Dona, must have played. Chitra, Dipen. Chitra and Dipen, they have played against each other, right? It says must have played. Deb, Dona, we can't say anything about Deb and Dona, but we can say about Chitra and Dipen. So answer is D. Next, who won the championship? Who won the championship? Aruna. Who among the following did not play against Chitra in the championship? So we know that Aruna played against Chitra, Dipen played against Chitra, Chetan or Biju. Biju must not have played against Chitra because Biju did not reach to the semi-finals. Correct? So answer is D. So with this we are done with this set. Once again you can see it's very easy to solve even CAT level LRDI set if you do it in proper way. So focus on extracting information and try to solve a set in correct way in a calmly manner. No hurry. With this we are done today. I'll be back with the next set of ILRDI series. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.